In this video, I want to show you the two fuse box locations on your Saturn Vue first generation. So the first place you need to check is on the passenger side, and we're gonna go down there in the footwell. You're gonna notice there's a panel that you don't need any tools to open, just stick your finger and pull. So the panel will pop, and if we look closely on the panel itself, you're gonna find a fuse box diagram printed. So it's very easy to find the exact fuse you need. And here is the fuse box with some relays as well. Very useful. So this is the first location. If you want to put back the panel, you just have to put it there and clip it back. Okay, just like that. Oops. It's a bit hard with one hand, but it's doable. So the first one was here. The second fuse box, you need to pop the hood, so go ahead, pull that latch. So we need to go on the right side over here. This is where the second fuse box is, and we need to lift this lid that is clipped using a clip over here, and there's another one on the back. Okay, you simply need to push on the clip to unlock it, and again on the side of this cover you're gonna find the fuse box diagram, easy to understand, and here is your second fuse box right over here. So this is about it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe and comment, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.